What if I told you that a simple natural drink could make your cucumber plants grow faster and produce massive yields? Sounds crazy, right? But it works. If your cucumber plants look weak, slow growing, or aren't producing much fruit, skip the expensive fertilizers and try this easy natural trick. Coconut water is packed with natural plant hormones, potassium, and essential minerals that boost root development and speed up plant growth. Here's how to use it. Take 1 cup of fresh coconut water and mix it with 1 liter of plain water. Pour this solution into a spray bottle and apply it to your cucumber plants once a week, especially on the leaves and around the base. Within days, you'll notice greener leaves, stronger growth, more flowers, and a big increase in fruit production. So don't waste coconut water, feed it to your plants, and watch them thrive. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips.